So today we are going to read verse number 4 of Surah Shams. The first alphabet there is Waw. Waw will join with Lam because Lam has Shaddah over there, and when there is Shaddah it means there is doubling of letter. So Lam is pronounced two times. First time by joining with Waw, and the second time it will join with Ya. Waw first join with Lam and then Lam will join with Ya, and Ya has Fatha over there. So Lam Ya Fatha will be Lay, and this is Wal. Wal-lay. Wal-lay. You have to notice that when there is Shadda, you have to join it properly, like to join it by emphasizing on it. So it will be Wal-layli. Say Wal-layli. If you say Wal, it will be wrong. So Wal-lay, and this is Lam Kasra will be Li. Wal-layli. Wal-layli. Hamza Kasra will be E, and the Zal with Alif, Zal Fatha will be Za. Iza. Iza is elongated there just a little bit due to the Alif. So it will be Iza. Wal-layli. Iza. The last word is Ya. Ghain Fatha will be Yagh, and Sheen, then Ha. The Sheen will be elongated due to Mad. We'll discuss in later videos which type of Mad there is used, but for now you have to elongate. Yaghsha, and Ha. Ha Fatha will be Ha. There is Alif, so it will be also elongated. Yaghshaha. So if you join them, it will be Yaghshaha. If you pronounce the complete words, then it will be Wal-layli iza yaghshaha. Wal-layli iza yaghshaha. If you want to learn more, then subscribe.